Fantastic kettle. Boils in a few seconds, turns off all by itself. Don't have to worry about anything burning. Worth recommending.
Ahí está prendida, está apagada, ¿ves? Y así prende, ¿ves? Mira, este es diferente, ¿ves? Si prende, parlebú. Ahí está calentando, ¿ves? Ya vamos a ver.
Okay, so this is the pink model. I've had this thing for almost 2 years. I use it at a minimum usually 3 to 4 times a day, sometimes more. But as you can see here, I've seen reviews of people who say that the lid won't close. That's a safety thing. You have to push the button to get it to latch, and the reason they do that is because the water gets very hot. But like I said, I've had this thing 2 years, and as you can see, I've kept it very clean. You just have to push the button. When you turn it on, the little light lights up. I'm very careful to make sure that the kettle, let me just show you here, sorry, that coil right there, it never gets wet. When you fill it, you have to be sure that you dry it. Because if you don't, these things are plastic. They're not going to be like a glass kettle. But if you take care of it like I have, then you will have it for a minimum of, I've had it almost 2 years. So, like I said, I use it 4 times a day. But yeah, you have to push the button down to open. And as you go to close it, you got to push the button in. Hopefully this is helpful, and the people that have the negative reviews will not sway you from getting this kettle. Obviously there's malfunctions and sometimes there's quality control, but I love my kettle. I can't live without it, and I'm about to order a red one for my mother because I'm visiting, and I take it everywhere. So yeah, like I said, it's 2 years old almost, and it's still going. I hope this helps somebody. This is our coffee station, and I love our pot, our little teapot.
This thing just finished boiling. It took 3 minutes and 40 seconds to boil 0.5 liters. And I'm going to turn it on again so you guys can see how it turns on when it's boiling and then turns off once it's in boiling. How to open the top. There's a button that clicks open. There you go. That's the inside. Whoa. And the way to click it closed is click it open. Pretty easy. That's the bottom, and that's the bottom. So set it on top. Doesn't matter how you put it. It makes that connection, so it's pretty cool. And once again, 3 minutes and 40 seconds for that. And I think earlier I told you it was about 9 minutes to go to boil 1.7 liters. I'm pretty happy with this thing. It's pretty awesome.
You just get the bowl.
We all have to do this. It's pink! Ooh! Oh my gosh! Stop. So. So cute. Oh my gosh. The cutest thing ever. Bam. Very nice. I love it. It's great. Absolutely. Oh my god. Nice. I love it. It's perfect. Yeah, I can't wait. Thumbs up.